Getting started here. Converting measurements. Now, with this thing here, I'm going to leave these. You guys know how to do this. This is you, Keenan. This circled one here, though, I just want to circle it. Before you do it, take 7 divided by 8, get a decimal for it, and then solve for your x, okay? So replace that. Now, read page 107. You don't need to read page 107. On a ruler, and you can get one from me, look at inches and look at centimeters. And look there, make an approximation for how many inches, or how many centimeters in an inch. And when you compare the metric and imperial systems on your meter and yardstick, which is longer, 1 yard or meter, you find that a meter is longer than a yard. There's about 40 inches to a meter. It's actually 39.37 inches. And it's about 3 feet to a meter, approximately. That's a little short, though, actually. Now that's something you should know approximately. Pardon? What's that?
Ruler?
Oh, yeah, I'll get you one more. Who? Tell you what, do it in 5 minutes, okay? Thank you. Now I'll get this down here because other people are going to need that. And here's what you're going to need. Keenan, make sure you jot these down because you're going to need these factors right away, okay? So jot these in, Keenan. I know you bumped your knee. 0.0393 for inches. 1 millimeter is 0.0393 inches. 1 centimeter is 0.393 inches. You'll never have to memorize these. 1 meter is 3.28 feet. We'll use that. 1 meter is also, and I have it down there, 1.0936 yards. So if you're going metric to imperial. 1 kilometer is 0.621 miles. Backwards, the other way around, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. Oh, but you want 25.4. No, that's it. Then, what is next? 1 foot is 0.304. 1 yard is 0.9144. Meters, and a mile is 1.6, as it says there, kilometers. Those conversion factors you can use to do the example underneath there, but I'll just go with 1. And then we'll shut it down. Jot this down. And I'll do 1 problem on the video and then we'll be good. Let's say you wanted to know you're in the States and you want to know how many kilometers or how many miles you've traveled because you're using your car, but all the signs are given in miles. So, let's say that you want to know how many kilometers, question mark, kilometers, and you travel 120 miles. You know that by LE, just that little abbreviation because I don't want you mixed up with meters. The way we set that up is 1 kilometer, getting that from above here, is 0.621 miles. You could have used the other ratio, the 1 mile is 1.6. As long as you set up the fraction correctly. I've got kilometers on the top, so that's my x. 120 miles is what I want. Now I'm going to just do the old cross multiply, divide by the load. 120 times 1 divided by 0.621. You've got 193. I'm going to just round 193, cut off the decimal 2, kilometers. That's equal to 120 miles. Now, you'll use those ratios the same way you've done all the others, set up a ratio from the chart, these values or anything from these values, and find your unknown the same way you always have. I'm going to just stop the recording now. We'll be done with that.